Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, hello, welcome. So today I'm gonna be doing a spring look because spring is here now. And yeah, so if you want to see what look I'm gonna come up with, stay tuned. To start off this look, I'm gonna be kind of priming my face with this Sephora Radiant Luminizing Drops. Honestly don't know if they still have this product or not. I've had it for a while, but I'm trying to go for that glowy, dewy look because, you know, I like to glow. I'm just gonna put it kind of on the high points of my face, like that. Kind of mix it around though. And take my Morphe Beauty Blender. And then I'm kind of just gonna spread it all over my face for that overall dewy, glowy look. Okay, so next I'm gonna be applying foundation, and I'm gonna use my Tarte Rainforest of the Sea foundation in light medium sand. Comes with a little dropper. Drop some foundation onto my beauty blender and start blending this foundation. I also forgot to mention rude. I forgot to mention that I already started with my eyebrows just cause like I feel like I take so long with my eyebrows, and like everyone has their own little way that they like to do theirs, and I don't even have like a set way of how I do mine. I always switch it up. I've been trying to go for a more natural brow, so I've been feeling that for a little bit, but I don't know, I might change my mind. Look, my chest is so white. Who's girl? I'm gonna wear a turtleneck.
This is for the turtleneck look.
Yeah, life hack. If your foundation doesn't match, wear a turtleneck. At least it blends in with my neck, right? Does it blend in with my neck? It's hard, okay? It is so hard to find your like perfect shade of foundation, especially because like since I'm in the army, I'm always wearing freaking shirts up here, so my body doesn't get tan, but my neck and my face gets tan. So I just am out here looking uneven as heck. Let me not cuss. And looking busted. But whatever, I don't care. I don't care. So next, we're gonna conceal our face. Of course, going in with my Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Light Sand. And you know, girl, this is a full coverage, so let's not go too ham with this concealer because I'm not really a super big fan. Oh god, I just dripped it on me. I'm not a super big fan of bright under eyes. I like that subtle look. Going in with my beauty blender again, just blend this all out. Oops! So I'm gonna go in with my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. This is my go-to. I will never switch up on my girl because she's always been there since day one. Okay, and then I'm gonna get my mini beauty blender with the product on there. And I'm gonna start setting everywhere I put my concealer. And I'm gonna let it bake right there. And I get like my little smile line, so I like to bake that part as well. Anywhere that creases, like around your nose, your forehead, obviously underneath your eyes, you wanna bake that so it can make it creaseless. After we got our bakage going on, I'm gonna go in with just a powder brush and some more of that Laura Mercier powder and set the rest of my face. I forgot to put concealer on my eyes, so I'm gonna go ahead and just do that real quick. You know, just concealer, blend it, set it with the powder, and you're good to go. So that's like our eyeshadow base. Okay, so once we got that set on there, I'm just gonna dust away all this bakage we got going on underneath our eyes. I'm gonna be using my Too Faced medium deep matte bronzer. This is like OG ride or die. I've been using this since I started doing makeup. It smells bomb. Warm up our cheeks and underneath our jawline. Okay, so to contour our face, I'm using the OG Shade and Light contour palette from my girl Kat Von D, and I use this middle shade right there. Okay, I also like to contour my nose. I'm gonna be using the same shade that I was using for my cheeks, just to kind of bring it back to life. I have like a pretty small nose, so I don't really use it to make it look skinnier, but I just feel like it looks so weird because like it's just blank. It's just like all white right here in the middle of your face. So this kind of brings some more dimension, I guess you could say. Going back with the Laura Mercier powder and my Morphe Beauty blender, I'm gonna just carve out my cheeks.
What the hell is on your face?
What do you mean? It's my. Well, have you been paying attention to this tutorial at all?
No, I just figured I'd watch it at the end.
So, this spring look is gonna be super easy. Super easy. My fish could do it. We're gonna go in with this Juvias Place palette, the Zulu palette. This palette is so cute. Look at these. Look at these. And the quality is freaking amazing. I absolutely love this for like especially colorful looks. It's so vibrant and it just gives it to me, you know what I mean? So going in with my Morphe R37 blending brush, we're gonna go in with this yellow color, this jello right here. And we're gonna dust that off and start blending this into the crease of our eyeball. So I'm using a Morphe M433. It's like a packing blending brush. And I'm just gonna pack some of this yellow all over the lid since it's already in the crease. So just pack it all in and it should blend in beautifully. Okay, so once we got that all applied, I did get a little bit of fallout right here, but it's okay if you got some fallout, girl, don't worry. We're just gonna get our loose powder again. And a little brush. Get some of the loose powder on the brush and just dust it away. Life hack right here, y'all. So I'm just gonna repeat the same steps that I did up here on my lower lash line, of course. And once we're done with that, I'll be right back. Okay, so once we got our eyeshadow all on here, I told y'all it was super simple. This is a cute spring look. I love the color yellow, but like, who doesn't, right? So I'm gonna do wing liner, and I'm not even gonna try to attempt to do this on camera because I gotta get like this close to the mirror and I don't wanna mess this up. So I'm gonna do wing on both sides and apply my lashes, and I'll be right back. So now I did lashes I put mascara. And if y'all are wondering what lashes I use, I put Queen Bee by Coco Lashes. They're one of my favorites. I've been wearing them since like 2016. So anyway, so I'm gonna dust off all this bakage. We've been baking for a hot minute now, so look at that. So annoying. Blush, I'm gonna go in with my Becca x Jaclyn Hill palette. I know this is like not available at all anymore, but I just want to use this blush shade because it's like super bright and I want to look like a doll. So I'm gonna apply it right here and literally on the apples of my cheeks, and I'm gonna take it a little bit on my nose to kind of give that like sunburnt vibe. I forgot to put inner corner highlight, so I'm gonna go in with my Stella Glitter and Glow liquid eyeshadow. These are freaking amazing. I love these. This is in the shade Diamond Dust, and I'm literally just gonna take the brush and put it on my inner corner. For highlight, I'm gonna be using my Laura Geller Gilded Honey. This is like OG in the highlight world. So bomb. Love her. I like to take my highlight up here above my brow bone and kind of like a C shape. Highlight the tip of my nose. And right here on my nose, on the bridge of my nose. For lip liner, I'm gonna use my Kylie Cosmetics lip liner in Dolce to line my lips. I'll go in with Kylie Cosmetics Velvet Liquid Lip in Low Key. I'm gonna attempt to do fake freckles, and I'm gonna try to use my Anastasia pomade. I'm in the shade medium brown, and I'm gonna just use a little detail brush. This is from Real Techniques, and I'm just gonna dot it all over wherever I want freckles, okay? So let's hope this isn't a fail. So I'm actually going to run my powder brush over them to kind of just tone it down so they kind of look like it's underneath my makeup, not on top of my makeup, if that makes sense, so they look more natural. Oh god, what? We're gonna take our setting spray, of course, and just, yes, spray it all over, lock in this makeup. And right here is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know I enjoyed creating this look for y'all. So yeah, if you guys want to see more or have any suggestions on new videos, always comment down below. Let me know how you guys enjoyed it. I enjoy your guys' feedback. If you like this video, if you like me, like it and subscribe, all that good stuff. If you want to follow me on social media or whatever, I'll link it into the description box, and all the products that I use will be in the description box as well. So thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, bye.